Hello everyone. In previous video, we discussed about the brief introduction about what is demand forecasting and what is the importance of information collection. And so this chapter is very important. It's a very elongated chapter. So we're gonna do it in a part series. So this today's topic would basically be the part one of demand forecasting and information collection chapter, right? Now the part one basically will start with the various components of information collection, how it's done, and so then gradually we'll move forward to part 2, part 3, and we'll keep on explaining everything in detail, right? So let's begin. Now talking about information collection, why information collection is important for any company or firm. Simple, it is important because the companies want to go into in depth and know about the buyers needs, wants, what are their preferences, and what is their purchase pattern or purchase behavior. They want to know all this, right? Now how do they do it? They basically do it by two methods. One is collecting information, the other is interacting with the customers, and also observing what the competitors are doing, right? So these are the two methods which they basically follow, and these two methods further have much more things in detail which we will discuss later, right? Now every company needs to do this, needs to keep on collecting the information rapidly. They need to sort and analyze and organize this information and keep on feeding it to the marketing team. That's very important. So the continuous feed to the marketing team of this updated information is really important, because based on that only the marketing team will carry out their marketing strategies, which basically includes the segmentation, targeting, positioning, how they want to portray their product, introduce their product to the customers, and all the marketing activities, right? So the company really needs to do that, right? Now most of the companies do this with the help of an MIS system, which is the marketing information system. Now what is marketing information system by definition? Now marketing information system consists of people, obviously, because it cannot be worked standalone, right? So it consists of people, equipment, so all the technological things, computers, all the softwares that are incorporated in the information system, right? Procedure to gather, so there also has to be steps that needs to be followed to collect the information. You cannot directly go to the customer. There has to be a cycle, there has to be a procedure that has to be forward. Now after collecting that information needs to be sorted, right? So sorting the information, then analyzing it. After an analysis you have to evaluate. Finally, after the evaluation, you need to distribute that information, feed it to the marketing team, and it has to be done timingly, right? It cannot be a delayed information. It should be an accurate information, and based on that the marketing team will take into account all the information they have got, and they will make their marketing strategies, right? Now MIS system basically relies on three major things, which we will elaborate in the next chapter. The first thing is taking care of the internal marketing records. Now companies already have lot of records of their past customers, right? Their repeat customers, their customers lifetime value, their purchase behaviors. So they take care of the existing data, use it to come up with the patterns, behaviors, right? Second thing is doing various marketing intelligence activities. Now this marketing intelligence activities includes lots and lots of factors that come into consideration, real-time factors that come into consideration, right? And then obviously the third thing is the marketing research. Marketing research again has various factors within itself, but those are real-time and they have to be evaluated, sorted, analyzed very quickly and fed to the customer, because the customer information that is already there in the company's records, that can take a time to evaluate. They have their own resources, the company can take their time, right? But marketing research and information collected through intelligence activities, they need to be sorted and analyzed very quickly, because only then you will have the first mover advantage over the competitors. You will be able to carry out the opportunities and threats more effectively, right? So yeah, so this was the basic introduction of the how the basic information collection of a company works. Now the three factors that I just mentioned, will elaborate on those in the next part of this video. Hope you like the video. Please stay tuned for part 2 and take care of yourself, wear masks, and yeah, Take care. Bye.